Kids, this is your hands-on English C book. You have to open this book. Today we are doing work on this book. Please open page number 10. Today we are doing ending sounds. Fill in the ending sounds to complete the words. Here you can see the pictures on the page, and we are having beginning sound and middle sound of the picture. Okay, we have to write the ending sound. Firstly, we will recognize the picture and then find the ending sound of the picture. Let's start. This is mat. This is mat. We are using mat for exercise. Okay, to sit on a floor. We are also using this mat. Ending sound is t. We have to write here t. Mat, mat. See, somebody is digging the is g. It is g. G says g. Dig, dig. Okay, the next one is pan. Mama using this pan, this utensil in the kitchen. Okay, pan, pan. Ending sound is n. Pan, pan. This is pet. This is cute cat. See, cat, cat. What is ending sound? Cat, t. We are writing here t. That is t. Cat, cat. This is log. L, o, g. The ending sound is g. This is a wood piece. We called it log. Jug. 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 We also write here g. That is g, because g's sound is g. Bed. Bed. D says d. Here we write d. Bed. Okay, this is van. Van. The ending sound is n. Van. Okay. Yes, the man is sitting on the chair now. He is sit on a chair. So here we write sit. S, it. T is T. It, sit. Okay. On the next page, on page number 11. Okay, this is body part. What is this? This is foot. This is leg. Here we write leg. G is G. Leg, leg. This is also body part. Lips. Here we write lip. 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 Okay, next is lid. Lid of any utensil, any frying pan, any saucepan. Okay, we are using the lid for cover the any pan. Lid, lid. Which letter says d? D. Yes. Lid, lid. This is mop. We are using mop to clean our floor. Okay, mop. Mop. P. P says P. M op mop. This is pit. Okay. This is pit. P pit. This is kag. Kag. G. G. Because G is sounding G. This is pen. This is pen. 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 N. N says N. Pen. This is tap. This is tap. Tap. P says P. Tap. Tap. See, this is clever fox. Ox. Which letter says X? X says X. For ox. Fox. Okay, children. One task is for you. Whenever you see these pictures, okay, you have to say aloud the name of the picture. Okay, when you see the tap, then you have to speak tap. Okay, like this.